Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on HTML5, and in this we're going to look at attribute selectors. So basically, as we can have loads of paragraphs as we can give each one a different name. So instead of just going in and where you put in a color for a paragraph and you go, oh my god, everything's looking that color, every paragraph, we can break them down and give them names and different names, and then we can call them on our CSS file by the names. So in this one I went P, we put in the brackets like an array, name is equal to John, with your quotations, right? And I went color that's green. Okay, so when I ran that, there we go, I got my green. So if we go back in here and go name is equal to, what are the names we got? I think we got Philip. Right, Philip, right? And we can give Philip a color of, say, red. Okay, we can save that. Okay, we go back in here. Now hopefully Firefox isn't too slow. We can refresh this page, and there we go. We got our red just there. So that's simple enough, right? That's attribute selectors. Just put in different names inside or inside tag of our open paragraph. Then go into your CSS file and just put in as I have here, and you can select different ones. It's easy enough. We can change this again, and we can put in, we have Sean, and we can give Sean a color of, we'll go for yellow with Sean. Yellow's a lovely color, it's bright, and I like yellow, so yellow will do for this one. No, it did not come up. What is going on? What did I do? Hey, what did I do? What did I do wrong? Hold on a minute now. Oh, my own fault. Didn't close my own bracket. See, even I make mistakes. Not many, but I do make them. There we go. There we go. You can't really see that, but it's yellow. So there you go. Attribute selectors. Very easy, guys. Give them names. Don't shoot them like I did. You have no problem giving each different paragraph different CSS styles. Okay, take it easy. See you on number 8. Bye bye.